Okay, good morning class 10. This is your part 4 video from share and dividends. Okay, a man invests rupees 10,080. Again I repeat, a man invests 10,080 in 6% 100 rupees share at rupees 112. Find his annual income. So for first line question, investment equals to rupees 10,080, rate of dividend equals to 6%, 100 rupees shares, that is face value is rupees 100 at rupees 112, that is market value. Find his annual income. So we know that annual income formula is number of shares into rate of dividend into face value. So first of all find number of shares. So number of shares equals to investment by market value of one shares. So our investment is 10,080 and market value is 112. It's 90, that is 90 shares. Okay, so annual income, number of shares into rate of dividend into face value. So number of shares is 90, rate of dividend is 6%, face value is 100. 9 into 60, 540. First line question is complete. Okay, now when these shares, question change from here, when these shares fall to rupees 96, that means when the market price change, that means the price of the share getting fall, it's getting rupees 96. When these shares fall to rupees 96, he sell out of these shares, that means he sell all his shares. So he has 90 shares and price of shares getting fall to rupees 96, that means he sell 90 shares into 96. So 0 6 9 6 are 54, 581, 86540. So he sell 90 shares and the price of each share is 96 because shares getting fall to rupees 96. So he sell all his shares, 90 shares at rupees 96. So 9 6 are 54, 581, 86. That means he sell all his shares, 90 shares and get 8,640 rupees. Okay. Now question begins again. Invest the proceed. That means he sell the shares, take the money and again send it back to the and again invest to the another company. Okay, at the another shares. So he invests 8640, that means investment amount for the second case. Here he begins second case. Okay, investment equals to rupees 8640. Invest the proceed in 10 rupees, that is 10%, rate is 10%, 10 rupees shares. So face value is 10 rupees at rupees 8, that is market value is rupees 8. Clear? Again I repeat, he has shares 90 shares, he get annual income 540, but he see that price getting fall to rupees 96, so he sell all his shares and take the money and invest into the another company or into another shares. Okay, so first of all you calculate the number of shares from here, how much number of shares he purchased from this investment. So number of shares is investment by market value, so 8640 by 8, that is 1080. Okay, so he has 1080 shares. Done. Okay, annual income, number of shares into rate into face value. Number of shares is 1080, rate is 10%. Okay, face value is 10. So annual income is 1080. Question is find change in his annual income. That means what is the change in his annual income? Firstly, he earned annual income 540. Now he earn annual income 1080. So what is his change? So change in his annual income is 1080 minus 540. It's 540. That means his annual income changed by 540. Okay, note. Question number 27. By purchasing rupees 50 gas shares for rupees 80 each, a man get 4% profit on his investment. What rate percent is company paying? What is his dividend if he buys 200 shares? Okay. So by purchasing rupees 50 gas shares for rupees 80 each, a man get 4% profit on his investment. So first question you see, face value given 50, market value is given rupees 80. A man get 4% profit. This is not rate of dividend, this is rate of return. So rate of return 4%. So we taking here the number of share as 1, because one share, if you invest in any company, one share you get rate of return 5% or 4%. If you invest 1000 shares, you get again the 4% or 5% return. Okay, so number of shares we taken 1. Okay, so rate of return is given. So question is what rate percent is company paying? That is find rate of dividend. What is the rate of dividend? Okay, rate percent. So first of all calculate investment. Investment formula is number of shares into market value. So number of shares is 1, market value is 80, so it's 80. Okay, we calculate annual income. Annual income formula is number of shares into rate of dividend. We don't have rate of dividend because question is find rate of dividend into face value. So number of shares is 1, rate of dividend it's taken R by 100 or face value is 50. So this cut it down, so R upon 2. We get annual income R upon 2. Okay, so we already have rate of return. So rate of return formula, we know that annual income by investment into 100. So rate of return given is 4, annual income is given R by 2, investment is 80 into 100. Okay, so 4 equals to, this one cross down, 2 5s are, that is 5R by 8. So 8 into 4, that is 32 equals to 5R. Therefore R equals to 32 upon 5, that is 6.4. So rate of dividend company is given 6.4. Up to question here is complete. what is his dividend if he buy 200 shares. That means find annual income if the number of shares is 200. So annual income formula, again we write number of shares into rate of dividend into face value. So number of shares is 200, rate we find out it's 6.4 upon 100, and the face value is 50. So that is 2, that is 100. So 100 into 6.4, so that is 640. So dividend we gain, we earn dividend 640. Note. Question number 29. A company declared a dividend of 14%. Find market value of rupees 50 shares if the return on the investment was 10%. Okay, a company declare a dividend of 14%. That means rate of dividend is given 14%. Clear? Find the market value. Market value is not given. Market value is not given of rupees 50 shares. So face value is given rupees 50. Done. If the rate of return, if the return on the investment, that is rate of return given, rate of return given 10%, you calculate market value. That means rate of dividend is not also given in the question. Okay. Oh, rate of dividend is given, face market value is not given. So firstly we see market value is not given. We taken number of shares as 1. First of all, calculate annual income. Annual income formula is number of shares into rate into face value. So number of share is 1, rate of dividend, this is rate of return, rate of dividend is given 14% and face value is 50. So annual income from 1 shares is rupees 7. Done. Okay, we know that rate of return formula, rate of return equals to annual income by investment into 100. Okay, so rate of return is 10%. So we write 10. In place of annual income we write 7, investment into 100. Okay, this investment multiply this side, that is 10 into investment equals to 7 into 100, that is 700. Done. So investment equals to this 10 comes side, because this is a multiplication. When go to the this side, that is divide. 700 by 10 equals to 70. So the investment is 70. Clear? We note that the investment formula. What is the investment formula? Formula of investment is number of shares into market value of 1 shares. So investment is 70. Na? Number of shares we taken only 1. So market value. So 1 into MV is MV. Therefore market value is 70 rupees. Clear? Note. Find the market value, that is market value our 70. Okay, never confuse, that is always mentioned return of investment. Return of investment, that is rate of return. and dividend given, the rate of dividend is 14%. Okay, don't confuse